landing page of both a learner and a parent account. The first thing I want to show you is kind of what a learner sees and show you what the important parts are of the Edmodo interface. So when a learner first logs in, you'll see two big areas. The first one on the far left-hand side is the group area. So here I can see every group as a learner that I am a part of. Then in the center I can see all of the posts for every class. These are done in reverse chronological order, meaning the most recent post is at the very top of the page. You can see I see one post here from one teacher, Miss Hiranda, and then I can see another one from Miss Bossman, another one from Miss Walsh. So again, this is all of the posts for all of my groups. Now on the left-hand side, if I click on one of my groups, it's actually going to filter the posts where I'm only seeing what is involved in the particular group that I'm clicked on. So right now I'm in third period GTLA for Miss Hiranda. So if I go look at the post now, I'm only seeing posts that are to or from Miss Hiranda for this particular class period. Okay, a couple other areas that are really important to our learners are the notifications area at the top right. You can see I have 7 major areas of notification. So when I click on that, it's going to show me what those things are. So currently, as a student, I have 4 assignments due, I have 1 late assignment, I have 7 new grades, and on and on. If I want to look at any of these, I can simply click on it. So if I wanted to find out what my 4 current assignments do, where I simply click there, and it's going to refresh my page, only showing me the 4 things in my classes that I have to turn something in on. Okay, so now we've covered the main wall and the notifications area. Another extremely important part of Edmodo and the way we use it here in Coppell is the calendar. So when I look over on the far right-hand side, there's a little symbol that has a 30 on it, and that is the Edmodo Planner /calendar. So when I click on the planner, it's going to refresh my screen. By default, it goes into a weekly view, and I can see everything that's due starting today for the next 5 days. And if I click on any of the events in here, it will give me more information. So I can see here, Miss Graves has posted that there's a science test today. So the calendar or Edmodo Planner is a great way for your student to manage their time, to know what is coming up, and to have a good idea of what might be due. They can also switch from a week view to a month view if they're looking for a better overview, and it will be color-coded according to the colors they have coded for their particular class periods. Okay, so that's the basic idea of a landing page for a student. So now we want to take a look at the landing page for a parent. So now I'm logged in to a parent account, and you can see it looks quite a bit different. But what we love about the parent accounts is that you can see all of the important information, but it filters it down and focuses it for you for the things that you really care about. So at the top up here, I can see kind of like that notifications area in the student, I can see all of the important things. So if I wanted to look and see how many assignments were due for my child or children, I could click on assignments due, and it would filter and only show me the things that were due for this particular parent for either of the 2 children. I can use the other areas just as well. So I could, if I wanted to see upcoming events, I could click there, filter it, and it's only going to show me the things that are upcoming or have just passed and I haven't had a chance to look at yet. Okay. The next very important area for parents is the calendar, kind of like it was for the students, and you can find that on the blue bar up at the top. You see the little 31 emblem, and it says planner when you hover over it. By default, again, it goes to the week view, and you can see everything that is set up on the calendar starting today for the next 5 days for your child or both of your children. You can also switch to a monthly view. And just like your child could do, if you click on one of the events on the calendar, you will get a pop-up that can tell you more about what is due or what activity is coming up or what they need to bring to class.